Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're looking at 15 classic motorcycles for sale in the USA, from custom builds to vintage originals, real listings, and real prices. Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Iron 1200 Custom, $7,000, Murray, Kentucky. This 1979 Harley-Davidson Iron 1200 is a one-off custom bobber built by DP Customs, the Del Prado brothers out of Arizona. Finished in white, this bike is designed to stand out and does exactly that wherever it goes. It has been featured in multiple motorcycle magazines, both online and in print, which speaks to the quality and creativity behind the build. The riding experience is described as fun and engaging, with the kind of character only a hand-built Harley can deliver. The seller notes it needs a new rear tire, fresh exhaust wrap, and new grips, minor updates that allow the next owner to put their own finishing touches on it. Priced at $7,000 and located in Murray, Kentucky, this Iron 1200 is ideal for someone looking for a unique, conversation-starting Harley that blends classic roots with custom style. Number 2. 1976 Honda Goldwing, $2,000, Greenville, Ohio. This 1976 Honda Goldwing represents one of the earliest generations of Honda's legendary touring platform. Finished in black and showing 76,000 miles, this bike is praised by the seller as one of the cleanest original examples you'll find for its age. It has been sitting for under a year and currently needs a battery, along with potentially new tires if extended riding is planned. One small missing detail is the gas tank key lock, which is reportedly on backorder. Otherwise, the bike remains largely original and well-preserved, making it an excellent candidate for a rider who values authenticity. Listed at just $2,000 in Greenville, Ohio, this Goldwing offers a lot of classic touring history for a very approachable price point. Number 3. 1969 BSA Lightning, $1,500, Sharon, Tennessee. This 1969 BSA Lightning is a true old-school British twin with plenty of history behind it. Originally built into a chopper in the early 1970s, the bike was later broken down, repainted, and refreshed with new tires and basic maintenance. It runs and is rideable, though the seller advises against long-distance rides in its current condition. The engine is believed to be original and has never been opened, and the seller has owned the bike for roughly 20 years. Notably, the bike does not have a title, which is reflected in its very low asking price of $1,500. Located in Sharon, Tennessee, this BSA is best suited for an experienced enthusiast looking for a vintage British project or a local use classic with character. Number 4. 1980 Kawasaki LTD, $1,200, Pegram, Tennessee. This 1980 Kawasaki LTD offers affordable entry into classic Japanese motorcycling. Finished in red, the bike is described as very clean for its age. It ran excellently last year before being properly stored, with the fuel drained and basic maintenance completed, including a battery and oil change. It has an open title and has not been started since storage, but there are no known mechanical concerns reported by the seller. Located in Pegram, Tennessee, and priced at just $1,200, this LTD presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking for a simple, straightforward classic that can be brought back to the road with minimal effort. It's a solid foundation for either a rider or a light restoration project. Number 5. 1973 BMW R75, $4,000, Jacksonville, North Carolina. This 1973 BMW R75/5 blends originality with tasteful upgrades, making it an ideal classic rider rather than a museum piece. Finished in black, the bike features new Mikuni 34mm carburetors and an Endurolast electronic ignition, while still retaining the original point system in working order. Additional updates include new throttle cables, spark plugs, and vintage-style tires. The bike shows honest patina and minor blemishes, but runs and rides very well. It comes with a clear North Carolina title in the seller's name, and the price is firm at $4,000. Located in Jacksonville, North Carolina, this R75/5 is a dependable and character-filled example of BMW's classic Airhead era. Number 6. 1985 Suzuki GS550, $800, Naperville, Illinois. At just $800, this 1985 Suzuki GS550 is one of the most affordable classic motorcycles on this list. The bike starts and drives with the choke on, and the engine is described as smooth, with no unusual noises. The carburetors have been cleaned, and the tires appear nearly new, still showing factory molding nubs. The seller mentions a noise likely coming from the speedometer or odometer cable, which may simply need lubrication. Included is a box of extra parts, including another carburetor body. With a clean, open title and just under 15,000 miles, this GS550 in Naperville, Illinois is an excellent low-cost project or budget-friendly classic rider. Number 7. 1966 Triumph Trophy, $5,500, Nashville, Tennessee. This 1966 Triumph Trophy is a rare opportunity to own an essentially untouched time capsule. Finished in original blue paint, the bike features a brand new motor with receipts, yet it has never been started since the rebuild. It has spent its life as a display piece in the seller's office and comes with extensive paperwork documenting its history. The bike is described as a one-owner machine with a clean title, making it especially attractive to collectors. Located in Nashville, Tennessee, and priced at $5,500, this Triumph Trophy offers a unique chance for someone who wants a historically significant British bike with documented provenance and restoration potential. Number 8. 1981 Yamaha IT-125, $2,000, Sardinia, Ohio. The 1981 Yamaha IT-125 is a lightweight off-road classic that has become increasingly hard to find in good condition. This example runs great and has received numerous new parts, indicating it has been well maintained rather than neglected. Known for its reliability and agile handling, the IT-125 was a favorite among trail riders and enduro enthusiasts. Located in Sardinia, Ohio, and priced at $2,000, this bike is ready to ride and could also appeal to collectors of vintage Japanese off-road machines. The seller is open to selling or trading, offering flexibility for interested buyers. Number 9. 1974 Norton Commando 850, $18,000, Lone Tree, Colorado. This 1974 Norton Commando 850 is described as a museum-quality example of classic British engineering. Finished in white and showing just over 41,000 miles, the bike has been garage-kept its entire life and reportedly runs and drives like new. Featuring a 4-speed manual transmission and classic kickstart operation, this Commando is aimed squarely at serious collectors and Norton enthusiasts. The seller is not in a rush and is looking for the right buyer who understands the value of such a well-preserved machine. Located in Lone Tree, Colorado, and priced at $18,000, this is a premium example of an iconic British motorcycle. Number 10. 1977 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $6,500, Lawton, Oklahoma. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Shovelhead is a classic American touring motorcycle with plenty of presence. Finished in red and showing 26,000 miles, the bike runs and drives but is sold as is and will need some general care. The seller emphasizes its originality and classic appeal, making it a solid platform for restoration or continued riding. Located in Lawton, Oklahoma, and priced at $6,500 or best offer, this Electra Glide offers an authentic shovelhead experience for riders who appreciate vintage Harley character. Number 11. 1978 Kawasaki KZ400, $2,500, Rogers, Arkansas. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ400 has been extensively refreshed with a long list of upgrades. It features new Mikuni VM30 carburetors, electronic ignition, NOS fuel tank, rebuilt suspension components, upgraded brakes, and new Continental tires on relaced aluminum rims. The wiring harness and battery are also new, and the bike comes with spare parts and literature. While cold starts require some patience, it runs well once warmed up. Located in Rogers, Arkansas, and priced at $2,500, this KZ400 represents a well-sorted classic with significant investment already completed. Number 12. 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T, $3,500, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T is a well-maintained Italian classic known for its unique V-twin character and comfortable riding position. Over the last 300 miles, it has received extensive mechanical attention, including new bearings, seals, brake components, tires, and a rebuilt clutch. The wheels have been re-spoked with stainless spokes and Borrani alloy rims, adding both reliability and visual appeal. Located in Kansas City, Missouri, and priced at $3,500, this Moto Guzzi offers strong value for riders seeking something different from the usual British or Japanese classics. Number 13. 1966 BSA Lightning, $2,200, Corpus Christi, Texas. This 1966 BSA Lightning is presented as a fun, no-nonsense vintage rider. It runs well, has a clear title, and features cafe-style bars, a solo seat, and modern LED lighting upgrades. The front forks have a 4-inch extension, which can be reversed if desired. Registration and plates are current, and the bike is classified as an antique. Located in Corpus Christi, Texas, and priced at $2,200, this BSA is positioned as a straightforward classic that delivers raw British twin character without a collector-level price tag. Number 14. 1972 BMW R75/5, $6,000, Forney, Texas. This 1972 BMW R75/5 short wheelbase model has been fully disassembled, refinished, and carefully reassembled with new cables, seals, suspension components, and exhaust. It runs and shifts very well, and the restoration work is described as being done properly rather than cosmetically rushed. The bike retains its classic/5 charm while benefiting from thoughtful updates that improve usability. Located in Forney, Texas, with a clear title in the seller's name, this R75/5 is priced at $6,000 and offers a refined vintage riding experience. Number 15. 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $7,500, Round Rock, Texas. Closing out the list is this fully custom 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH. Finished in green with extensive customization throughout, including wheels, paint, bars, seat, and chromed heads, this bike is built to stand out. It features matching numbers, runs and drives excellently, and comes with a clean Texas title in hand. The seller is firm on the $7,500 price, reflecting the condition and quality of the build. Located in Round Rock, Texas, this Shovelhead is a strong option for riders looking for a bold, classic Harley with custom flair. That's today's lineup of classic motorcycles for sale. If you enjoy real listings and real prices, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and we'll see you in the next ride.